Right, so I've got a couple of solenoids here. One of them's a diverter valve, so when the solenoid is energised it just diverts, basically it's on and off really, and it lets gas through. This is an inlet one, so that's up against mains pressure, and then when you energise the solenoid it opens up the valve which allows water into the machine. So both solenoids, all the solenoid is really is it's just a coil of wire, so be a coil of wire like that, with both ends coming out. Not a brilliant drawing, but and then the solenoid, the valve will go through it like that, and then when it's energised it will lift this plunger up out of the way to open it or close it, depending on whether it's normally open or closed. But anyway, it's just a coil of wire, really easy to test. So just want to set your meter to continuity. So that one reads 4.57 kilo ohms, and now I know that's a good reading because they are very heavily wound coils to make them strong, because obviously it's opening and closing mains water pressure. So I know it's continuous, I know there ain't a break in the copper coil, and also you can use that number from experience or through manufacturer specs to test whether it's in spec or not. Same with this one. Just the ends of the coils. These both work on DC, but AC, but you can get DC ones as well. So the reading on that one is 1.6 kilo ohms. So it's a little bit less powerful. So there you go, easy to test. Just test the ends of the coils and get a reading, and you can check that reading against manufacturer specs. That is it.